Exterior painting in the Pittsburgh area is in high demand. Due to the extreme weather conditions and constantly changing seasons, Pittsburgh homes take a beating. The summer season is short, so there is limited time for exterior house painting. As a result of this, house painting in the city of Pittsburgh and can be expensive. So when you're ready to make the decision to complete your house painting project, make sure that you find the most reputable Pittsburgh painting company. The house painting company you hire must follow all the proper preparatory steps to ensure a long-lasting, great-looking result. Most homes in Pittsburgh are very old vintage antiques. Some have many layers of old paint from many years of maintaining them. Some painting companies paint over these layers. Not at Fagan Painting LLC. The Fagan painting team never puts lipstick on a pig. Our team of cosmetic restoration experts go through the harsh and vigorous process to remove all old, loose, and failing previous coats. Sometimes strippers are best for the task, but even then, intense sanding is usually always necessary. We make sure that all loose paint is removed and sanded smooth before the prime coat. We use very aggressive sanders to accomplish this task. On this house, we nearly had to go all the way to the wood on most of the home to ensure a fine finish. Precautions are important throughout the process. After some stripping and a whole lot of aggressive sanding, we then switch to a less aggressive sander to smooth out the surface and remove any marks from the previous sander. With house painting, preparation is most of the work. After we have got the surfaces smooth, they are now ready for primer. At Fagan Painting LLC, we don't use just any primer. We only use the best. We use Sherwin-Williams Urethane Modified Extreme Bond Primer on all exterior surfaces. Not priming is not smart for exterior house painting in Pittsburgh. After prime, we start the next preparation process. We now caulk anywhere needed and apply fillers where needed. The fillers are then sanded after drying. Next, we prime all the fresh caulk and sanded fillers. We also lightly sand all primed surfaces before painting to ensure that they are smooth and ready. Finally, we start the painting process. 2 coats of the best Sherwin-Williams products, chosen by the customer, are then applied. Drying time between coats is necessary to assure the proper adhesion to the surfaces. Fagan Painting LLC is one of the only house painting companies in Pittsburgh that offers this type of extensive preparations. We are also one of the only companies that uses urethane modified primers on all our exterior painting projects. Our paint jobs look better and last a lot longer. Pittsburgh house painting is very expensive, so you do not want to have to do it very often. So when looking to hire a local painting contractor, always make sure that the Pittsburgh house painting company that you choose offers all the proper products and the right preparations, in addition to a guaranteed warranty against chipping and peeling. Our W-2 in-house employees are highly trained to make the best possible outcome every time consistently. We never outsource any of our work to subcontractors. We always have a trained supervisor on every job to ensure that every step of the job is inspected before moving to the next phase. Through this method, we can accomplish an excellent finish result on every job. We also do walk-around inspections with our customers daily to make sure they understand the process and see what they are paying for. Our quality control inspections give the customer a chance to give us feedback and ask questions. That way, when we leave, your house painting project is finished, and you can enjoy your home for many years. If you are looking for house painting in Pittsburgh, try Fagan Painting LLC. We guarantee all our work in writing so you can relax knowing you got what you paid for. Here are some of our finished products. Look at the quality.